Let's go see what goodies Dollar Tree got. Another one, have you tried these? Because these are a dupe for a more expensive brand, but these have stayed in stock at Dollar Tree. I don't know if you saw the other one where I showed these, and it's been going on weeks now, and these are still here. So some of the items are $5. They have the wallet still down there. They have these were new. With a little beaded piece right here. They have these right here, and they have the card holders and stuff in it, and they have those in multiple colors. But all of these have stayed in stock. The bags, they're going down. We just have one left of those, but they've stayed in stock. And then of course these totes right here, these are good for $1.50. Has anyone tried these? Because I think this is such a good value. So you get 32 ounces, and then they have the Cypress Grove, and then this one right here. I like the colors too, just the bottles. But they smell good. It's like a light smell, but most things at Dollar Tree are gonna have like a light smell. They don't have a heavy smell. But have you tried those? I love a good to-go bowl. Look at these. Okay, so you get a pack of 5. So you get the bowls, you get the lids. They're like paper. This is really good because it's disposable, but you get a good amount in there. And they have these, of course, in the like kitchen area. This is towards the end of the kitchen area where like the paper goods are. They have really stepped up with the kitchen items. So now they have this in. It's $5, of course. But it's a good size right here. They have some mixing bowls in. These are good size too. They have the larger cutting board now, because before we used to just get like the small one. They have the larger one now, $5. It is in the plus section. They have glass storage. They have glass baking pans. These right here, I love these because you get 6. So that's less than $1 a piece for those. And then they have these baking dishes right here with the top on it. But yeah, they really changed up the options for food storage, for cooking items, different things at Dollar Tree. If you're lucky, you can still find some of those little lunch boxes and the food storage items. These two were together, so cute. So then the turtles, like I say, you can get like other things too. They'll have like sometimes the kitchen clips, different things, but you can get a lot of things for kitchenware from Dollar Tree, like the character items. But look, this is the only 2. Oh wait, no, we have SpongeBob down here. So they have SpongeBob down. Oh, that's not SpongeBob. They have, I thought it was SpongeBob. These are 2. You get a pack of 2, but they are a little food storage container. You get the lemon print, and then you have like the bow. This is kind of plays into the patriotic like style one. Ooh, and then they have these. These are cute too. They have that in blue and in pink. Those are cute. And then another one, this one right here. So okay, so they have all of these in. So these are a pack of 2. Okay, these are new because I don't see the ones. Oh, I see them down there. The ones we usually get. But these are new. So these are like little donuts. Do you wear the ones with the, or do your kids wear the ones with the little shapes on it? My kid likes the, but they have like all of the other ones too. But she likes the clear ones, but they do have those. Oh, look. Oh, they think, I don't know. Let me see, how many are in here? 14, so you get 2 packs of 14, so that's 28. I gotta go look at my old pack to see how many you got in there. But they have it in the little pack now. I gotta go see my old pack. But they have a lot in. We use those. So if you want to save some money and you don't want to use the other ones are like twice, maybe 3 times the size. But then the cost is more too. But those are a great alternative, and we use those. When I see those, I stock up on those. A few more food storage items. So the snack boxes, the Snackle boxes, they come and go at my Dollar Tree, but they have a lot of different versions that you can grab. And then, like I said before, they have small ones that you can grab. These right here, I like the tall bread containers, so yeah, where you can save up some counter space, so you don't have to use it all. But they have these they've had for a while, so you get a set of these. Just a lot of different food storage items and different things at Dollar Tree. This one right here with the little spoon and like spork like thing, get the one that's in the packaging. This one is not, I think that's the last one left here. But yeah, a lot of good food storage, different thing items at Dollar Tree. Every time I see this, it cracks me up because it looks so much like the hand sanitizer spray, but it's the intimate spray. So if you get those, yeah. But they do have a lot of good feminine products. Postpartum care wipes, those are new here. And then they have, of course, the other feminine wipes, different things. They have cleansing cloth. They have they have a ton of different feminine wipes. They have the menopause line. They still have pieces from that. They have other things for other type of treatments, different things. They have the disposable underwear, just a lot of things for feminine care at Dollar Tree that you can grab. They have changed over the years, and they have like so many different options right now. Okay, these I have seen before: the brightening oil cleanser, the barrier repair, and the balancing one. I have seen those before, but I have not seen these. So they have a face and body spray, and they have two different versions that you can grab at Dollar Tree, and then these are 5.8 ounces for those. I'm wondering, is it part of a set that you use maybe together? But these are new at my Dollar Tree. These I have seen before at my Dollar Tree, but they have a lot of good things in right now. Again, they have so many hand sanitizers. So they have the Twilight Dance scented, watermelon, cucumber. They have Sunset Breeze. They have Peach Fizz, vanilla cream. They have more Peach Fizz. But they have so many different scents in right now, and they keep stock. You can see all of. They even have. Oh, we found a different one. So before they had the other one, but they have this one right here with a little watermelon on it. But they even have the bag, the charms and stuff too, still here at the cases at Dollar Tree. Okay, I always look at the shirts, and I always say that if you wanted to practice like maybe sublimation, or you have to get a polyester for sublimation, but if you wanted to practice vinyl cutting, different things like that, you can grab the shirts at Dollar Tree. But look, now they have them color blocks. So no, I don't want to take it out the pack, but you can see kind of the colors on that one. But they have them color blocked options, and then they have the variety of sizes. They still have the solid color ones, but you can grab these. And I think it's cute that they put them in a little packaging too. But imagine putting like a custom little print or something on those. You can grab those at Dollar Tree, and these are $1.50. Okay, I know it might be like a few weeks early, but it's dorm season, so you get ready for dorms and stuff like that. And look, they have them colored ones now. I don't know, I haven't tried them. I don't know if they bleed, like the colors bleed, but they have gray, they have pink, they have white, they have brown, they have black, and then you can get the matching garbage cans to go with it. I don't see the like peach pink one though, but they have those. And then, you know, they have the shower curtains, they have the hooks, they have all of the things where you can do a little dorm, maybe inexpensive. You don't have to spend that much money if your kid is going to school and you want to just grab some things for them for the dorm. Does your Dollar Tree still have graduation items? My daughter's graduation is tomorrow, and then she has another one on Thursday. But they still have whole aisle is still full. They do have some empty spots where they sold out of some items, but these have lingered on for a while this season. They have the little charms. These are cute. Funny thing is, she didn't realize she did her hat. Her hat is so cute, but she didn't realize she was supposed to attach her tassel to it. So now she has to pry up her paint to get the tassel on there. But they still have a lot at Dollar Tree.